Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this series of video lectures, our next question is let R square denotes R cross R. So basically R cross R is the Cartesian plane, right? And S is a set which is denoted here as an order triplet ABC, and ax square plus 2bxy plus cy square is greater than 0 for all xy belonging to R square, okay, except 0 0. So already he has excluded this point 0 0 because 0 0 is not satisfying this equation. Then which of the following statements they are true? So various options are given, and this is a latest question that is from JEE Advanced 2024. Let us see how to solve this question. So what we are given ax square plus 2bxy plus cy square is greater than 0 for all xy belonging to R square except 0 0, right? Except 0 0. Now if I divide the whole equation by y square, what will happen? This equation will reduce to a times x upon y whole square plus 2b into x upon y plus c greater than 0. So now I assume that let x upon y be equal to some another variable t. So I made a quadratic. What is that quadratic? At square plus 2b into t plus c greater than 0. So for this quadratic to be always positive, so this quadratic is always positive. We know the concept. Whenever the quadratic is always positive, it means a should be positive and d should be negative, because always positive, so it should not intersect x-axis. It means no real roots. Hence discriminant should be less than 0, right? So what is discriminant in this particular case? That is b square, means 4b square minus 4 into a into c should be less than 0, or we can say that b square is less than ac. Along with that, a should be greater than 0. And now what is given? Discriminant less than 0 and a positive. So if we try to understand, it should be, so the nature of the graph, it should not intersect x-axis. A is positive, so shape should be like this. It could be anywhere. It could be this side, it could be this side, it could be anywhere. But one thing is sure, that c has to be positive, because wherever the graph intersect y-axis, that is nothing but the point c. So wherever the quadratic is, c is always positive, right? Just with help of these options, let us see now which all options are correct. Anyhow, c is positive in this also, in this also. So in case if c was negative, we would have ignored that option. But anyhow, let's see for the first option. 2 comma 7 by 6 comma 6, does it belong to set S? Let us verify this. So by options, first option 2 comma 7 by 2 comma 6, does it belong to set S? So first thing, a is positive, yes, a is positive. C is positive, yes, these two conditions are true. Along with that, b square should be less than ac. What is b square and what is ac? Let us verify. B square will be 49 by 4, and what is a into c? Means 2 into 6. Does this inequality holds true? No, clearly this is not true. It means this option is not, means a option does not belong to set S, right? So a option is rejected, means first option is rejected. Moving on to second option. What does he says? 3 comma b comma 1 by 12 belongs to set S. If this is true, then 2b must be less than 1. So let us see. So now we have to consider that if 3 comma b comma 1 by 12 belongs to set S, so if it belongs to, it means b square should be less than ac, means b square should be less than 3 into 1 by 12, means b square should be less than 1 by 4, right? Or we can say 4b square should be less than 1. Or can I write as 2b is less than 1? Yes or no? With the modulus. One and the same thing, right? So it means second option was saying this thing only, that if this point belongs to set S, then 2b must be less than 1 with the modulus. So first option, as we have rejected, second is correct. Moving on to third option. Now he has asked the system of linear equation. Two linear equations are given, and then he's asking that it has a unique solution. Let us see how to verify third option. So what are the system of equation? Ax plus by is equal to 1. Another equation is bx plus cy is equal to minus 1. Now we know this system of linear equation has a unique solution. When it will have a unique solution, this is only true if and only if the ratio, that is a upon b, must not be equal to b upon c. Then only that is a case of unique solution. It means b square should not be equal to ac, right? B square should not be equal to AC, and we have already seen that B square is not equal to AC. Because why? See here, because if B square is equal to AC, then AC less than AC, which is not true, right? So B square is any day not equal to AC, which is always true. It means this option is also correct. So C option is also correct. Moving on to the D option now. What does D option says? For any ABC, the linear equation has a unique solution. So again, the same concept we will apply here also for the fourth option. That is a plus 1 into x plus b into y is equal to 0. And then another one is b into x plus c plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Has a unique solution. If only if the ratio, that is a plus 1 upon b and this is b upon c plus 1, they should not be equal. Let us verify. That is a plus 1 into c plus 1 should not be equal to b square, right? So this is what? This is ac plus a plus c plus 1, right? And on the other side we have b square. Can we find out any relation? Can we find out one relation? Yes, one relation we already know, that is b square is less than ac, right? B square is strictly less than AC. So if B square is less than AC, anyhow A and C, they are already positive. A is also positive, C is also positive. So can I write this is further less than AC plus A plus C, and even if we add 1, because anyhow this is a positive number. So this inequality is always true, right? That is B square is always less than AC plus A plus C plus 1. So that is the option saying that B square is not equal. Yes, it is true. B square is always less. It's not true, right? As we did in the previous option also, B square is not equal to AC. Yes. Why? Because B square is strictly less than AC. It's not equal to AC, right? Because B square is strictly less than AC. So we can, on the same lines, we can say that the fourth option for this particular question is also correct. So this was a multiple select question from JEE Advanced 2024. And the correct options were B, C and D. I hope you have enjoyed this video lecture. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you, students. Thank you.